Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get auto brightness on your iPhone. So the things that you have to do now is just go into the settings part. My bad. You just need to go into the settings part by go click this applications, and now whenever you are in the settings part, you just need like scrolling down until you found display and brightness. Whenever you already found this display and brightness, you just need to go click this part. And now you have an access to set or to change the setting about display and brightness of your phone to get an automatic brightness. So you just need to go into the brightness part, and there will be only two options here. Either you want to adjust in the brightness like manually by drag into the right side to make it like brighter and left side to make it like darker. To make it automatically change or adjusting by itself, you just need to go click this true tone, and after that you just need to activate this button by click it until it change into the green color. So this true tone will have you like automatically adapt iPhone display based on the ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. So whenever your environment is dark, so your phone will be reducing the brightness, but whenever the environment that received by the phone is quite bright, so the brightness will also supporting to be brighter so that you can see your screen clearly. So that's the way how to get automatically brightness adjustment on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more and more video tutorials about the application that you use for your daily. So see you for the next video.